It's a beautiful Sunday, perfect day to finally organize my entire wardrobe for spring. It's really getting time to get organized about what I'm gonna wear in the following season. Today I'm going through everything I own, including items I have been trying to sell for a while and also items that have been in storage, accessories, bags, shoes, coats, everything. I am going off of vibes, energy, and how items make me feel. My approach today is to lay everything out on the bed in categories and then go through the items and see what has a good vibe to me and what I'm actually sick of. And I'm gonna finally get organized and sell everything that I don't feel 100% positive about. I'm not gonna include anything that is in these drawers because they are just pajamas or sports items that I know I want to keep. Dance class t-shirts, sports bras, leggings. Here are a couple of bathing suits. Down here are my wetsuits and my surf poncho. I know I want to keep those. And then down here I do also have some clothes. I actually forgot I had this off-season pile. These are all of my shoes. Definitely keeping these. These are my current go to work everyday shoes, keeping. These have become my going for a walk, Sunday stroll kind of shoes that I'm not afraid to get grass or mud stains on. By the way, I just cleaned both of them. I mean, come on, definitely keeping these. My Birkenstocks, these are coming back for spring. White pair of Vans. I think these might become my new dancing shoes. I originally intended for this pair to become my dancing shoes, but last class I realized it's not gonna happen. They are way too warm and they don't have as good of a grip as Vans do. Then we have my pastel Vans slip-ons. Hell yes, definitely they are coming back for spring. And also my blue pair. I love these as well. Totally spring vibes. The only pair I'm probably gonna get rid of. I actually don't find Converse that comfortable and I haven't worn these even once last winter or fall. So sadly, it is time to say goodbye. My big winter coat, it's already been in storage because it's just way too warm to wear it. Also, my snowboard pants and my snowboard underwear are in storage. Then I have a couple more jackets. My running windbreaker type of jacket. I think it's vintage. I bought it in a vintage shop in Amsterdam. And I will keep this one. I recently bought this jacket. It's from H&M. It's this water repellent longer jacket that kind of covers your butt. I'm definitely keeping it around because I know colder days are gonna happen again. And this is my option of a warmer type of spring jacket to wear to work. Then I have another new one. It's this quilted cotton kind of jacket and it has a really interesting shape. It's from Zara and I've been wearing it a lot lately and I really love it. Also keeping this one. I think I might put this one in storage. It's got more of a wintry feel than a springy feel and I associate this piece with winter because I bought it in winter. And then I have this green jacket. It's a great jacket. I have loved it a lot. I've worn it a ton. It's from Zara. It's this water repellent overshirt. I just got so sick wearing this color lately because I haven't had any options. It was before I bought all of those jackets. Actually, I was planning on getting rid of it, but I actually also might put it in storage. And if I don't happen to wear it, I'll get rid of it later. I actually forgot one jacket. It's my big raincoat in a trench coat similar style. And I will definitely need it in spring. Okay, this is going really well and fast. So let's move on to accessories and bags. Kanken backpack. Definitely a keeper. There are gonna be so many picnics and walks and trips. I'm gonna need it again. This is actually a new cross body bag from Uniqlo. My big Hang 11 canvas bag. I will definitely keep this. Lastly, I have this bag from Liebeskind. It's in great condition still. I just haven't gotten around to wearing it a lot. Kind of just not my style. Now that I think about it, I know that I bought it for a fantasy self. I think I'm just gonna put it online for somebody else to buy and enjoy. More accessories like these gloves, and then I have 2 wool hats. They have been great. I really recommend these from the brand Samso & Samso. They are really warm and cozy. This scarf, unfortunately, I haven't worn it a lot. It's a beautiful scarf by Scotch & Soda, and I'm gonna hang on to this for next season as well. I have this hat. It's a new one. I usually wear it in dance class or around when I didn't do my hair. This might not be a accessories category, but I really hope the stocking days are over. I can wear skirts on bare legs, or at least with biker shorts underneath, but these, I really don't want to see them again until next winter. Very good progress so far. Let's get to the items I have been wanting to sell. This sweater, I really haven't changed my mind about it. Same goes for this dress. Then I have a lounge set from Billabong that I ordered. It's new. Unfortunately, it doesn't fit the way I imagined, and I can't send it back because they're in Belgium and I will have to pay a high shipping fee, and it's not really making sense. The bottoms are way too big and the top was too small. It is even worse than I remember, because how is this even medium? You could fit 2 of my legs into here, and all of this excess fabric, it's just not very good. Like, the sleeves are too short. It kind of does this weird thing at the back where it goes up like this. It could be a little bit longer. I'm definitely gonna try to sell this item. Corduroy jacket by Billabong. Unfortunately, the sleeves are way too big. It's a really large size. I have worn it for a couple of seasons. It's in great condition still. I already put this online for sale, but I think I'm gonna drop the price on this. It's my cutest shopping mistake ever. I thought this was a woman's lycra rash guard, but it's a kid's one. I might give it away to someone who has a little girl who can wear this and be super cute. Moving on to the real clothes. I recently had to go to a funeral, and so I had to buy a black outfit. The skirt, it's from H&M. It's actually a nice skirt, and I can see myself wearing it in the winter time, so it wasn't a total waste. And then I have another t-shirt from Uniqlo, and I'm gonna keep it as a basic for the winter time. this is the selection that I love wearing the most these days. I have a new skirt with a really cool print. This might be my favorite skirt in a very long time. It reminds me of Japanese ink calligraphy. It's got this really pretty pattern of trees and lakes and mountains. Two more viscose skirts that are a midi length that are also these pastel colors. My very light knit sweater. I have two of these Hang 11 tees, and I actually recently cropped them so they fit even better now with the skirts or the jeans. Also, I have a new cardigan from Uniqlo. It's a really oversized, relaxed one. Also works well with the skirts, or I might also try this with the jeans. Two favorite dresses I like to wear. This pair of jeans I talked about in my last video. And then I have this long button up. I think I want to add another short boxy one to wear with the skirts or the jeans, but this long one doesn't really work with any of my bottoms, but I'm still gonna keep it for to wear with biker shorts. Then I have this gorgeous green sweatshirt. I just love the color. It's so fresh, and I can't wait to pair it with something in my wardrobe. I haven't really tried it with anything else yet. If everything fails, I can wear it with my biker shorts or leggings as a sporty walking around, lounging at home kind of sweater. But I had to get it because of the color and the print, because I also love to play tennis. And then I have my oatmeal sweaters that you have seen a million times by now. And of course my backpack. What we have left now are things I am not completely sure about because of the fit. I'm definitely sure I love the look of them and I would love to wear them, but I have to try them on first. And then there's a small pile, not feeling like putting them together with my new fresh wardrobe, because this color, I've already told you, I'm so sick of this color. I will have to put it away for a while and wait. I have two big sweaters, but they don't have that spring energy vibe, you know? You know that vibe that's, oh, let's go into nature, let's do something adventurous, I don't know. They more have a vibe of let's lounge at home, and that's not the kind of vibe I wanna invite into my life. It's not the energy I want to attract. I'm gonna put them in my dresser, and if it gets cold and I need to get cozy, then I can still pull them out. Outfit number 2. I'm not really crazy about this look. I mean, they fit me, but it's not very flattering. No. I think that might be it for these pants. The blouse is actually better than I remember. It's got this perfect boxy fit and length. I like it a lot. I think I might keep it and try it on with some of the skirts. I think it's kind of cute. It's a good office look, I think. The verdict is I'm getting rid of these pants. I would rather wear more of skirts that are a little bit more feminine, but also a little sleeker and cooler. These items I'm gonna put away in my drawer because I have decided this bathing suit still looks pretty amazing. I'm very pleased with the turnout of this organization session. As you can see, my bedroom is now clean. I have a perfect spring wardrobe. I have 2 boxes over here with off-season items, 1 box with to sell items that have already been posted, 1 box that I will need to take photos and post them to sell, and 1 little bag with items to donate. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I hope this was kind of inspirational for you to start organizing your own wardrobe for spring. I wish you lovely spring days with a lot of sunshine and cool activities. Take care of yourself, and I'll see you next time.